What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can play Brawl Stars on PC. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, do a quick Google search of LDPlayer, and from here, let's tap on the first result. Now, once you are in this website, go to the search icon right here and type Brawl Stars and hit enter. So here you see that Brawl Stars is right over here. So what you have to do is click on this one and click on download Brawl Stars on PC. Now after that, it is going to give you a prompt on where to save your file, so just choose a destination and click on save. Now once that's done, you can just go ahead and open up here and click on install. So this is going to install LDPlayer. So LDPlayer is an emulator that you can use to play other mobile games too. So here there are some optional offers, so let's just reject these offers and the download should start. Now after that, you can go ahead and open LDPlayer. Now once you're in here, you can go ahead and go to System Apps and go to Play Store. So once you're in Play Store, you just click on search and you can search for Brawl Stars. And once you see it, you can just click on install. Now after that, you can now play this game. So let's just tap on play. So here, as you can see, I am now playing Brawl Stars using PC. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.